Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a collective haul for you. Now it's no surprise that I keep saying I'm going to do a spending freeze and then I don't. So hopefully that'll change in the coming months, but for now I have some deals to share with you. And if you're interested in some of these deals, I've probably posted about them over on my blog where I do mostly weekly sales posts where I update with you guys on all the sales that are happening. Amazon, small shops, bigger shops. All of them are right there. So let's dive right into it. I have some items here. These are from onlyoneLifeCreations.com. You can find her under all of those on social media. And she had a Distress Ink sale. So these mini sets were only, I believe, $3.75, which is a really great deal compared to what Amazon sells them for. This is set number 14, set number 3, and set number 13. So those are those. She did have a lot more that I need / don't have, but I didn't pick those up. Just a couple. Really great shop though if you haven't checked it out before, so I'd highly recommend it. Next I got a couple things at Hobby Lobby. Some of these are actually gifts. So I picked up some of these Project Life all-in-one kits. You get a 6x8 ring album, 156 Project Life cards, and 26 pocket pages. This one's designed by Maggie Holmes, so you get super Maggie Holmes-esque items, including a 6x8 album. And since this was only $7.50, I thought this was a great deal, mainly because an album costs at least $5 most of the time, so really great deal. I'm happy to find that one. They also had a Paige Evans designed one too for the same price. So originally $30, now $7.50. My store had more of these in stock, but these are the only two patterns they had. So this one's 183 pieces, so you only get 156 Project Life cards. But there's the album and some of the cards you receive. And then I have a couple other things from Hobby Lobby. This little baggie, like a little cosmetic bag, was 75 cents, so I picked it up. And then these Post-it notes were 74 cents, so I picked those up. One bag out of the way. Next we have Blitsy over here in this box, which is a little bit off screen, but that's okay. I'm just going to pull these items out and move the box out of the way. Hopefully that'll work out a little bit better. They're having a warehouse sale. It might still be going on by the time I get this video edited and uploaded, but if not, they do have sales like all the time, which is great. So one of the things I got were these My Favorite Things ink cubes. These are in the colors Dill Pickle, Blueberry, Cranberry Cocktail, and Summer Splash. I've never tried their dye inks, but I'm really excited about these colors. I use blue and green a lot, so that's why I picked these up. And I also thought the red and green go well together for Christmas cards coming up. These are some Jelly Bean Soup Puffy stickers. These are called Shades of Color Soup. And these are the pages that you get. Also, sorry for the lighting. The sun comes pouring in at this time of day. I have some Cosmo Cricut sticker sheets. One is Christmas themed, and I've hauled this one before, so this is actually for a friend. And this one's called Baby Jane. A nice little baby theme here. These were like 70 cents a piece, I believe. I got the Cabin Fever die cuts from Simple Stories. I do have the chipboard from this collection, and I really, really like it. Got this little watercolor cube. I don't have any loose pan watercolors, but I decided to try out this Prima one in the color Palms. Green's a color that I use a lot lately. I picked up these Pick Me Up Pink Paisley Paige Evans stickers, puffy stickers. Not as puffy as I thought they were going to be, but I really love all the little flowers and shapes. Super, super cute. Then we have this stamp set from Avery L called World's Greatest. So it's a little trophy, husband, coach, father, and then I just like the trophy as well. So I thought that was a good find. I picked up two markers. These are both Copic multi-liners. I got one in sepia, I never remember how to pronounce it, and one in cool gray. I haven't tried these out yet, but I'm really excited to. I've always wanted the black Copic multi-liners, but I've never bothered to buy them before. So we'll try out the colored ones and then see if I want to buy some other ones. These are the Tim Holtz rub-ons in Gilded Alpha, so these are gold rub-ons. And then I picked up the Wild Heart 6x8 paper pad from Crate Paper. I've never had a 6x8 paper pad before, but this one's really beautiful. It reminded me of Adventureland at Disney World. But I'm really excited to try to use this. There are only 24 sheets, which is a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. And then I have a bigger bag here full of goodies. And at Blitsy you get $30 is free shipping, so obviously I had to do that. This is the Simple Stories Hometown USA sticker sheet, 6x12. Super cute. I picked up one piece of vellum. This is just a red vellum, which I thought would be good for Christmas or Valentine's Day cards. This is Echo Park's Mermaid Tales 12x12 sticker sheet. Really into the mermaids lately, not sure why. Kaiser Craft, this one is the Misty Mountain sticker sheet, and how beautiful is this floral piece down here. Sorry guys, my camera kind of shut off right there. So like I was saying about this is a beautiful floral piece with all the leaves in it, and there's a lot of purples in this collection by Kaiser Craft, which is absolutely beautiful. So I got that one. This one from Photoplay called Think to Remember. Oh no, that's just their hashtag. It's called From the Let's Go collection. My bad. But I'm working on my cruise album and my travel album, so this is perfect for that. And lastly, from Blitsy, I have the Webster's Pages The Good Life sticker collection sheet. Love the tabs. It looks like they've cut through the sticker paper and the backing on some of them, which is a little bit annoying, but this will go in my sticker sheet drawer and we'll see if it holds up. And of course we got the 12x12 bag to put our kits in, which is absolutely great. Next up we have Michael's. Also combined with Joann's because things are sort of mixed in. But I got some great clearance deals at Michael's. These little banner pieces were, I think, 24 cents. And there's a bunch of different patterns in there. This stamp and die set, which is called Poolrific, which has like mixed drinks and stuff in it. I probably won't use that, but it'll probably go in a giveaway. Some unicorn and crystal stickers. Some more travel stickers. I have a pack of these already and I really love them. So these will probably go in my giveaway. This is Spring Essentials stickers. Got some gold glitter. Some Paper House Sticky Picks enamels. These are like some good retro ones. We have a typewriter, cassette tapes, gamers, floppy disk, VHS, really cool. And then some just regular planner accessory stickers, which again can work for scrapbooking. Also at Michael's, I picked up this Project Life album, which is the honeycomb pattern, and it was only $8, which is pretty good. I usually buy mine on clearance, and they're getting harder and harder to find nowadays, so let me know where you guys get your albums and which albums you use, because I'd love to know. Next up we have Joann's. I picked up this paper punch. It was less than $9. There's an extra 25% off clearance paper crafting, which was convenient because I really wanted a new heart punch. So this one's a little scalloped heart punch, and it's one of the squeeze ones by Fiskars. I also picked up two acetate pieces. This one's by Basil, and it's a pink stripe. And then I picked up this one from Crate Paper Open Market, which is a gold with vellum behind it. So gold doilies, which is really fun. And they also recently had their 10 for $2 paper sale, so I picked up a bunch of them. Mostly it's just say American Crafts, so I'm not sure which collections they're supposedly from. I got two of these wood grains. And of course I went for Florals because that's all I ever seem to buy. That's what I normally buy when I go for the 10 for $2. And yes, these are very thin papers. These are not like collection weight papers. These are like printer paper weight. But again, that doesn't bother me. So I just pick up what I like because it's relatively cheap. But usually you'll want to back these or just use these as layering elements. I thought this one was really unique and pretty. I picked up one of the Basil papers. This is an embossed polka dot in a teal color. I hope the polka dots are showing up on camera. And then I brought this one, which is just some little houses, which I think is from Snow and Cocoa collection, but I'm not sure. But I think that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys have purchased recently. I will be going on a spending freeze very soon, so watch out for some videos about staying on spending freezes and all of that because I'm very bad at it. So I have some tips to share with you. But again, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!